I'm sure you've heard the news, AC can be a silent stressor for your heart. Sudden temperature changes from air conditioning can put strain on your cardiovascular system. Especially if you have pre-existing heart conditions, the stress can manifest as increased blood pressure, changes in heart rate, and discomfort. Being exposed to very cold airflow for long periods can make this worse. So next time you crank up the AC, consider keeping the temperature moderate and avoid direct cold blasts. Remember, your heart will thank you. Stay cool, but stay heart smart.